quadrilaterals? See, the land or side that one bites will be of quadrilateral shape, yes. So I can find the area of the quadrilaterals. But sometimes, when they bite the land, if it is of circular land, we may get a such situation where we need to find the area of it. So we need to know, right, how to find it. So let's see how to find the area of that also. See, let me take a circle. Okay, here, this circle can be divided into 8 equal parts like this. Okay, yeah, by cutting them, you can divide them into 8 equal parts. So here, by taking all the parts and by arranging them in a way here, so what I'll get, let's see. What I got? We got a quadrilateral to some extent, right? Yeah. So this roughly as a parallelogram actually. Okay? Yeah. And then similarly, if I take more sector or portion, if we take instead of 4, like 8 parts, if I divide into more portion or more sector, so then we will be nearly approximately to the parallelogram. Okay, so as now for this circle as done above, let me divide the circle into 64 sectors, and if I arrange these sectors, so it will be nearly to the rectangle, right? Now what is the breadth of its rectangle? See, the breadth of this rectangle is the radius of the circle R. So as the whole circle is divided into 64 sectors, so on each side we have 32 sectors. So the length of the rectangle is the length of the 32 sector, which is nothing but half of the circumference. And that is the length which is equals to the half of the circumference is equals to what is that? Pi r. Okay, half of the circumference, right? So circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. So half of it is nothing but pi r. Now the area of a circle is equals to the area of a rectangle form. That will be equals to length into breadth. So that will be equals to what? Pi into r into r. So that is equals to pi r square. So the area of which is given by the formula, which is pi r square, where r stands for radius of the circle. Now we shall take an example where the circumference of a circle will be 31.4 centimeter, and let us find the radii and the area of the circle. Okay, so if I consider this as a circle, so if it is having a circumference of 31.4 centimeter, so here the circumference can be given by 2 pi r, right? So which is nothing but 31.4 centimeter. So if I take pi as 3.14, so what we get? We get 2r is equals to 10, r is equals to 5 centimeter. So we got r is equals to 5 centimeter, right? So we need to find the area of the circle, which can be given by pi r square. So pi r square is nothing but 3.14 into 5 square. So that is nothing but 78.5 centimeter square. So this is the area. This is how we can find the area of the circle. Okay, so in the next class, let's know about the conversion of units.